beneath the world's most breathtaking beauty, beats a heart of fire. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park on the island of Hawaii is the place to get up close to one of the world's hottest spots. On the summit of the Kīlauea volcano, a voluminous plume of steam and gas jets thousands of feet into the air. This first explosive eruption in the Halemaumau crater in over 80 years reminds us there's much more to come. From the coast of Kīlauea to the summit of Mauna Loa, Hawaii Volcanoes National Park surrounds two supervolcanoes. Millions of years of eruptions built up shield shapes. Mauna Loa means long mountain, and there's more than meets the eye. Measured from the ocean floor to the summit, it's the world's most massive volcano. In its shadow, Kīlauea is one of the world's most active volcanoes. Nearly continuous lava flows since 1983 have added over 550 acres to the Big Island.
We're on an active volcano. Things are always happening, things are always changing. And as a geologist, you know, in most places, you don't see geologic change in your lifetime, much less in the course of a week. And here in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, things can change in a day's time.
Once considered a curiosity, Kīlauea's ongoing eruptions and accessibility offer an unprecedented opportunity to observe the inner workings of a shield volcano. From a hotspot deep within the earth, magma, or molten rock, rises beneath the summit of Kīlauea to Pu'uo'o. From there, it travels by surface flows or below ground through lava tubes to empty out into the Pacific Ocean. When a section of the roof of a tube caves in, a skylight reveals red-hot lava. Volcanologists regularly retrieve samples, checking for chemical changes or anything to gauge the pulse of the volcano. Along the south flank of Kīlauea, volcano watchers get unprecedented access.
People can drive right around the summit and onto the caldera floor. They can hike across the caldera. There are craters like Kīlauea that you can hike across. You can see land that's less than an hour old. So I think the dynamic ever-changing landscape of Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is what makes it unique and special.
As older volcanoes lie dormant, new ones form. Nearly 15 miles southeast of the island of Hawaii, Loihi, a potential new island in the chain, is rising up flow by flow. Within 3,100 feet of sea level, scientists predict it will take some 250,000 years to surface, in an ongoing process that created 80% of the Earth. Named after Vulcan, the Roman god of fire, there's no telling what volcanoes will do.